Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice for beginners. Let's start. Sofia was in her second year of college. School was still new. It was sometimes hard. But Sofia was starting to feel okay. She went to class and did her homework. She did not have many close friends. Then she met Hailey. Hailey was fun. She was loud and full of energy. She smiled a lot and talked with everyone. Sofia liked Hailey. But they didn't talk much. One day, they worked on a school project together. After that, they became friends. Hailey told funny stories. Sofia laughed a lot. They started spending time together. They were happy. One day after class, Hailey smiled. "Tomorrow is my birthday party," she said. "Do you want to come?" Sofia was surprised. "It will be so fun," Hailey said. "The theme is pink. Pink food, pink drinks, pink decorations. And you must wear pink too." Sofia smiled. "Okay, I will come." But later in her room, Sofia thought, "Oh no! I don't have anything pink to wear." The next morning, Sofia went to the mall. She found a pretty pink shirt. She wanted to buy it. But, oh no! She forgot her wallet. She ran back to school and got it. Then she went back to the store. But the shirt was gone. Sofia felt sad. She went to another store. She found a beautiful pink dress. She tried it on. But the zipper got stuck. A worker helped her. Sofia felt very embarrassed. She left the store. Sofia went to one last store. It was cheap and simple. Suddenly, rain. It rained a lot. Sofia ran inside, but she slipped. "Ow," she said. Then she saw something. Between two big sweatshirts was a pink dress. It was short and simple. She tried it on. It fit perfectly. Sofia smiled. The day of the party came. Sofia got ready in her dorm. First, she plugged in her hair curler. But the lights went off. "Oh no," she said. She waited 20 minutes. The lights came back. Then, she burned her finger. "Ouch," she cried. Next, she dropped her makeup. Pink powder went all over the floor. And on her dress. Sofia cleaned the dress carefully. She got dressed and left her room. But halfway to the bus, she stopped. "Oh no! I forgot Hailey's card." She ran back to get it. Now she was hot and tired. Sofia got on the bus. It was full. She had to stand. A little boy spilled juice. Some juice came near her shoes. "Oh no," Sofia whispered. But she smiled. She didn't want to be late. At last, Sofia arrived at the party. Hailey saw her and smiled big. "Oh my God, Sofia! You look amazing." The room was pink, pink balloons, pink cake, pink cups. Sofia felt happy. She didn't feel strange anymore. They danced. They played games. They laughed a lot. Someone gave Sofia a pink lemonade. She raised her glass. "To new friends," said Hailey. "To pink dresses," laughed Sofia. That night, Sofia felt like she belonged. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories.